A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's too.
All right, everyone. We got some really intense court hearings to go through today, and it's going to be quite a ride. Our first case involves a so-called sovereign citizen. Though honestly, this guy takes it to a whole new level, claiming he's an entity instead of a person. Naturally, the judge's reaction is priceless. Courts only recognize real people, so his argument doesn't hold any legal weight at all. I'd love to hear what you think about this circus in the comments. And if you enjoy this kind of courtroom chaos, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive right into the action and see how this plays out.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, please place your full name on the record.
Nathan Daniel Lucas, a living man.
A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir. Not in the etymology of the courts and the syntax grammar. No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade. All right. So are you interested in a lawyer representing you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in even getting a driver's license?
No, sir.
Are you interested in an offer at all?
No, sir.
Set the matter for trial.
Well, I intend to plead in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction.
Okay.
Because that issue is to be brought up in my pleadings and filed with a court.
I didn't see any pleadings filed with the court. Do we have anything?
I said that is an issue to be brought up. My pleadings to be briefed and filed with a court.
Well, you should have done that. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Hannah here. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. I'll give you a $0 bond, and I'll set a trial date for November the 14th, 2024. Or if you want a pre-trial date to file some pleadings, I can set that for October 21st, 2024. Which one would you like?
You could repeat that, sir?
Pre-trial date, if you want to file some motions, pre-trial date will be October the 21st, 2024. Or
that will be fine.
Just set it that you want that date?
October 24th, 2024?
October 21st.
21st.
2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. And just for the record, I did not enter in no plea. I don't plead.
All right. Well, I'm entering in for you. All right. Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back October 21st, 2024.
I have to say, I really enjoy watching this judge. His sarcasm is spot on, and honestly, it's the perfect way to deal with these types of courtroom antics. You can see these sovereign citizen arguments start to unravel the moment he turns their own nonsense back on them. It's almost comical. I'll be posting the second half of this hearing tomorrow, and trust me, it only gets wilder. But for now, I've got another hearing to share with you, and this one is even more over the top. Another sovereign citizen who's completely off the rails. Let me know in the comments what you think, and let's jump into this next case.
I am Moore.
More?
Special representation. I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's not my name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I am Moore. I'm here on special representation. I'm
same as last defendant, Your Honor.
My honor, I'm asking. Okay. What is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Of everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your
deputy.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your nationality.
He has charges in jots and he has a paper charge. Let me see if they're the same warrant. And they're different warrant numbers. Okay. So I guess I do both sets. Let me see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States. And so what is your status? You a U.S. citizen of the United States?
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the warrant.
I'm asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the nationality. I would like to know, are you a U.S. citizen? Once again, my honor,
Is he injured, deputy?
status
Say it
of
again, Your
everyone in the
Is
courtroom.
he injured? Is that why why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a U.S. citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think it's just a sovereign citizen
Can you
thing?
provide me with
I honestly can't tell if this guy is pretending to be mentally unstable for court or if he's genuinely out of touch. Maybe it's a little of both, like the deputy suggested. Either way, it's impossible to figure out what he's hoping to achieve by claiming his name is more. Does he really think the judge would just give up and let him leave? It doesn't make any sense. At this point, these hearings feel like a waste of everyone's time. Judges might need to step in and end the nonsense sooner, or at least hold people accountable when it's clear they're being disingenuous. What do you think? Should courts be stricter with this kind of behavior? Let's jump back in and see what happens next.
Are you a U.S. citizen? My honor, are you a U.S. citizen?
Sir, be quiet.
Are you a U.S.
Yo.
citizen?
I said be
stop.
quiet.
Are you
Be
a
quiet.
citizen? What is your name? What is your status? What is the status
Yo,
of everyone in the
chill.
courtroom? That's what I'm asking.
All right. So y'all just go ahead and take him back. I'll just go ahead and put this on. Y'all take him.
Feet up.
Asking
Move your
for the court to be a jurisdiction of the court.
You might want to chill out.
To be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court because I am not who they say they are. I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
No.
Everything is challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, let me get two. What you want to say?
After that last scene, I'm convinced this guy is definitely not thinking straight. There are always some sovereign citizens who spout nonsense, but this one is on a completely different level. It's almost like he's auditioning for a reality show. How do you even argue with someone who refuses to acknowledge basic rules of law? The judge has the patience of a saint for not just slamming the gavel. Honestly, these Zoom court hearings seem to work in favor of these types. They can interrupt, talk over the judge, and spout made-up legal theories without the normal courtroom order keeping them in check. It's wild to think people believe saying they don't consent will make a ticket disappear. These ideas have been proven false countless times, yet they keep trying anyway. That's where I'll leave it for now. I'll be posting the second half of the first clip tomorrow. Let me know in the comments what you think about Zoom hearings. Are the courts too lenient? And do you think these people are truly mentally ill or just acting out? If you want more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and take care.